Welcome to our guide on how to delete your album on Facebook. Let's walk through the steps together. To get started, open the Facebook app on your Android device to access your profile. Tap on your profile picture to navigate to your profile page. Below your profile picture, tap on Photos to view your photo collections. Next, select Albums at the top to see all your albums. Choose the specific album you want to delete by clicking on its title. Click on the three dots at the top right corner of the album page. Select the option Delete and confirm your decision to delete the album. By following these steps, you can easily remove an album from your Facebook profile to manage your content effectively. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been informative in showing you how to delete your album on Facebook. Clean up your albums and declutter your profile by removing unwanted albums. Explore these steps to maintain a tidy profile and control the content you share on Facebook.